Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you for coming back, and if you're new, thank you for watching. So today we are going to be doing a bulletproof coffee. Bulletproof coffee is a great way to start your day if you like coffee. I personally can't go without it every morning, even when I don't have to wake up early. I need my coffee. So you just take regular coffee. I already made mine. I didn't wait. I'm sorry. And you add a tablespoon of coconut oil. This is where you're going to get your MCT oils. But you can also buy just the MCT oil and add that if you prefer, as long as you're getting MCT oil. I know there's keto coffee creamers out there that say they have it. Just please be careful and watch your ingredients. Always read the ingredients on things because they could have hidden sugars, and just because it says keto does not mean that it is keto. Or just because this says coconut oil, I would still recommend looking at the ingredients because it may have some hidden canola oil. That happens a lot with avocado mayo. It says avocado, but when you look in the back, it has canola oil, it has palm oil, it has soybean oil, which are the kind of oils that you're trying to avoid on keto. So anyways, getting back to the bulletproof coffee, we got the tablespoon of coconut oil, tablespoon of butter, which I already put in there, as you can see. And I personally add a little bit of heavy whipping cream, and we use monk fruit sweetener, Lakanto. You can use any sweetener that you prefer as long as it's keto friendly. I personally just started using that one and I like it so far. I don't have any complaints about it. I get it at Costco. It's way cheaper than Amazon, so try to look at your local Costco or your local grocery store. So there you go. And I recommend if you have one of these or a frother or just a blender, throw your coffee in there, give it a couple seconds, and it becomes kind of like a latte. It's really good. All right, what else are we doing today? Fat bombs. We are going to be doing chocolate and peanut butter cups. Kind of like Reese's, but not really. So we have our dark chocolate in here, and remember, keto, unfortunately, you can't have just any chocolate. It has to be dark chocolate. And I'm probably gonna get scolded because this is only 55%. We got this at Walmart, but it got an A on Carb Manager. And it's actually sweetened with stevia leaf, erythritol, and vanilla extract. So not that bad. Could be better ones out there, but for now, this is what we have. So I did 1/3 of a cup just because I'm making a very small batch to show you guys. And a tablespoon of coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, and a tablespoon of coconut oil. The amounts that you want to use just depends on the ratio you want for your peanut butter cups, pretty much. I personally don't like peanut butter too much. I'd rather have a little more chocolate, so decided to go with a little bit. You're going to want to throw this in the microwave. Depending on your own microwave, I'd do 30-second intervals and just never let it melt all the way. You want to take it out and you want to mix it with a fork, which is what we'll be doing. So I'm going to get this into the microwave. I'm actually going to put 1 minute because it's really cold and it's a 700-watt microwave. That way. Get our fork ready. I use these. Some people have silicone molds. I'm trying to get those soon. But as of right now, I got these on clearance for like 25 cents. There's like 100 of them. So it's ready. And as you can see, it's still not melted, but I'm gonna give it, there we go. You see how the heat, you start distributing it and it starts melting. All right, just gonna pour some in there. Pour some in here. I think I'm just gonna do 3 because I want enough to cover them. So just move them around, get an even coat. I'm gonna pop these into the freezer. So we're gonna put in our peanut butter, remember? 30-second intervals this time because this peanut butter is already pretty smooth. I get my peanut butter at Aldi right now, and as I showed you last time, the ingredients are just peanut butter and salt. Peanuts, sorry, and salt. Check your ingredients, guys. Like I said, I actually got duped. I think that's how you say it. I just went with, oh, it's organic and it's Aldi and it's right next to that one. So I was like, oh, this is really good for us. But I actually took a look at the ingredients yesterday or the day before, and I was mad because it's dry roasted almonds, palm oil, cane sugar, and sea salt. And I'm like, damn. So read the ingredients. And I've heard Whole Foods, there we go, nice and creamy. Whole Foods has these kind of like vending machine type thing where they have different nuts and you can go and make fresh nut butter, and they sell it by the pound. So I might be looking into that soon because I want almond butter. I love almond butter. Or you can make your own, whatever's easier for you. All right, let me see if they're ready. They're not exactly ready, but for the sake of the video magic, they're ready. Now let's pour the peanut butter. All right, and then you're gonna want to pop these back in the freezer. That's depending on your freezer. Get them really solid, and then you would use the rest of your chocolate, which I'm gonna do right now for the video magic. Let me see, and I actually have some that are really similar to these because I just didn't want to wait. So I'll show you the finished product of this exact thing. Not what yours should look like, but still a finished product. All right. Put them back in to the freezer and I'll show you the finished product. All right. I like just to put them in a Ziploc bag. It's just easier for me because they go quicker than make them. So probably shouldn't have stacked them. This one looks a little better. Hold on. Now this one's the best. All right, you see? So mine is super thin, but that's how I like it. That's just me. I don't like peanut butter much. Maybe once we try another nut butter. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I really hope you make these, and if you do, please post pictures, give me feedback. The next fat bombs we're gonna be making is actually with cream cheese and strawberries. Believe it or not, you can have strawberries on keto. And we will be getting to the cheesecake soon. I just have to go grocery shopping. So hopefully Sunday I will be uploading the no-bake cheesecake. It's so good. Start making more videos. All right, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, like, subscribe, please. Show some support, and we will keep trying to bring these videos to you. All right, thank you guys. Like and subscribe. Bye.